guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Patricia Ibarra. Welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and also make sure to press that post notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So for today's video is on this look right here. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, make sure to keep on watching. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up now or at the end of the video, and also don't forget to leave me some comments down below. So with that being said, let's get started. As you could tell, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids, and I will be priming my eyelids with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Fair. Whatever's left in here because it's empty. Okay, I'll be picking up the Morphe M224 brush and tapping in the product into the eyelid. Now I will be picking up my little blue beauty sponge. Alright you guys, so I haven't even looked at the shades I'm going to work with right now, or that I want to use, so be patient with me. Okay, for my crease, which I already started, I will be picking up the Morphe 35B palette and picking up this mustard shade with the Morphe M456 brush and tapping it into the crease before I go in and blend it out. Okay, now I will be picking up the Morphe E22 brush. So I'll be picking up this shade from the palette and going on top of that yellow and blending that out. Okay, now I will be picking up the Morphe x James Charles palette and the Morphe M124 brush, which looks like this. And I will be picking up this yellow, which is named B, and tapping it onto the lid. Now I'll be picking up the Morphe M456 brush, which I used to pick up that mustard shade earlier. Pick that up and dip that in that mustard shade again and go over. Okay you guys, so I'm back. I did go ahead and do this eye off camera. Just letting you guys know that I did go back to this eye and applied concealer on the lid and cleaned that up. Then went over it with the B shade from the Morphe x James Charles palette. So now I will be going ahead and applying a wing liner, and my go-to liner, liquid eyeliner right now at this moment is this Wet n Wild Skinny Tip eyeliner. So this is it. Okay, so here we go. I might freaking mess up several times before I get comfortable with the wing I want, so bear with me, don't judge me. I'm still struggling to do wing eyeliners. Getting some Pikachu vibes over here. Okay, so now I will be attempting to do this eye. I always do one eye excellent, perfect, not gonna say perfect, decent. I like it, and then I go and do the other eye and it's just shit. Let me know if you guys have that same problem down in the comments down below. Now I will be starting on the face. I will be picking up the Morphe C2 2.55 concealer and placing it over any big marks or scars that I dislike. Okay, picking up the Morphe M224 brush, I will be tapping the concealer into the skin. Now picking up that same little beauty sponge from earlier, I will be using the other end to dab in the concealer after tapping it into the skin. Okay, now I will be picking up the LA Colors Conceal It, Cover and Correct Concealer in the shade Deep. No, not my hair. Whatever's left over, I apply it onto the nose. Now picking up this brush, was it Essentials, and tapping the concealer into the face as well. Now I will be picking up the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade True Beige. Here. Yes, I know it's light. Picking up this sponge right here, I will be blending that into the face. Okay, now for foundation. I'll be picking up the Morphe F3.10 Matte Foundation and just dotting. So with the Morphe M439 brush, I will be going around the face and applying that all over. Now using my damp beauty blender, I will be blending and tapping into the skin even more. Now picking up the Morphe Concealer C 2.55. I will apply concealer again underneath my eyes. Now using the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I upgraded, you guys. I don't have a baggie anymore. See? So I will be setting underneath the eye with the Airspun. Now picking up this Wet n Wild brush, I will be dipping it into the Wet n Wild bronzer in Sunset Striptease. Okay, now I will be picking up the e.l.f. blush brush, tighten my face, and dipping that bad boy in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio and dipping it into this shade right here. Okay, now using the Morphe brush, I will be dusting off the translucent powder. Okay, using this little smudge brush right here. Oh, using the mustard shade from that Morphe 35B palette, I will be picking up with the smudge brush and applying it to my lower lash line. And picking up this brush, which is a lip brush, I will be brushing that out and blending it in. Yes, it's a lip brush, but I have never used it for that. Okay, now picking up the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I will be applying it to my lower lashes. Okay, I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. I used the Tato lashes, number 333, which are the ones I have on right now. Okay, now I will be using the Mario Badescu facial spray. This one. Okay, picking up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I will be picking up Forever Lip. Now picking up Glow Getter. For the lip, I will be using the lip liner by NYX in Nude Beige. Now I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss and Toffee. Okay, I'm gonna play around with these rhinestones. So I'm applying some glue and I'm using a clear one and placing it in my tear duct. Okay, now I'm picking up a yellow one and placing it on top of my brow. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, you guys. I like it like this. So this is the final look, you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. If you guys like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to leave me some comments down below letting me know what type of videos you'd like to see next. So, I have achieved 100 subscribers. So, thank you so much for the love and support. I'm not fully sure if they're all realistic subscribers that are really subscribed to me or computerized subscribers or whatever those fake account subscribers are, but I have achieved 100 subscribers. That is a small milestone. I said once I achieved 100 subscribers I would do my first giveaway, which we have achieved 100 subscribers. Hooray! But I'm not sure what I'm giving away yet, so make sure to stay tuned for that in my next video. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye.